So within a 3-month time period, from signature to go live, we transformed the way the financials for the company are structured and presented. When I walked in, Libra was basically an Excel hell. They had lots of very large files with a lot of lookups and sum ifs to get their information. But the problem is with all Excel applications, it was a little static. Some of the data was a little inconsistent. And at the end of the day, it really didn't meet the vision that I had for the company. I want finance to go from a necessary evil to a business asset. And ultimately, I'm looking for the company to increase its overall financial savviness. And with the way the data was structured, that was going to be very difficult to happen. Now, I've been using OLAP since before 2000, so I was very familiar with what could be done. And I was introduced to Jedox a handful of years ago and really kind of liked the product and what I needed to do. And so I initially laid out the structure for that, pitched it to my CEO, who made me do a bake-off between that and another product. At Jedox won. I signed the contract, got the team together, and then I went on vacation for 3 weeks. When I came back, the consultant that Jedox had hooked us up with did a really nice job working with the team. They made great progress. We had built up a lot of the cubes. In addition to reimagining the financials, which was a huge undertaking, we also started doing planning with Jedox. We incorporated a much more dynamic reporting process that integrated into the financials, giving us the ability to compare forecasts and estimates to actuals, which that, along with the additional foresight that we're going to be able to provide due to adopting variable costing and Jedox allowing us to kind of rip the core data apart and reassemble it in a meaningful manner, is going to really serve Libra very well in the future.